Who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option B. B.N. Rao. Who has been selected as Wisden leading women's cricketer in the world for 2024? Correct answer is option B. Smriti Mandhana. Where is the headquarters of Central Railway? Correct answer is option A. Mumbai. Which of the following sports has been included in the Asian Games 2026? Correct answer is option D. Both B and C, cricket and mixed martial arts. Who is the chairman of the Economic Intelligence Council? Correct answer is option D. Finance Minister. Which is the first state to achieve 100% rural electrification in India? Correct answer is option C. Haryana. When was the Make in India initiative launched by the Government of India? Correct answer is option B. 2014. In which year was the Kumbh included in the list of intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO? Correct answer option C. in 2017. Which state tops the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution is related to? Correct answer is option C. Anti-defection law. Economic survey is published by? Correct answer is option A. Ministry of Finance. The 129th Constitutional Amendment Bill is related to which of the following? Correct answer is option C. One Nation, One Election. Pandit Jasraj, an Indian classical vocalist, was associated with which of the following music gharanas? Correct answer is option B. Mewati Gharana. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B. Sanjay Malhotra. Which state has achieved the GI tag for reindeer silk and Khasi handloom products? Correct answer is option C. Meghalaya. Which is the oldest national park of India? Correct answer is option A. Jim Corbett National Park. Who has the power to amend the Constitution of India? Correct answer is option C. The Parliament of India. Which state is known as the Tea Garden of India? Correct answer is option D. Assam. The right to education in India is a? Correct answer is option C. Fundamental right. Where will India's first public-private partnership green waste processing plant be established? Correct answer is option A. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who is known as the father of Indian unrest? Correct answer is option C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which Indian state shares its borders with three countries, Nepal, Bhutan and China? Correct answer is option D. Sikkim. India's first international multimodal logistics park is being constructed in which state? Correct answer is option A. Assam. Which committee recommended constitutional status to the panchayats? Right answer is option C. L.M. Singhvi Committee. National Development Council was set up in? Right answer is option C. 1952. Which 5-year plan in India was based on the Harrod-Dumar model? Correct answer is option A. First 5-year plan. Which was the first Indian state to be formed on a linguistic basis? Correct answer is option B. Andhra Pradesh. Thaipusam festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. The two-nation theory was propounded in which of the following session of the Muslim League? Correct answer is option C. Lahore Session, 1940. Kamakhya temple is located in which state of India? Correct answer is option C, Assam. What is the first hour of the proceedings of the House called? Correct answer is option A, question hour. Which of the following are separated by a 10-degree channel? Correct answer is option B, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. India's first National Centre for Marine Biodiversity is located in which city? Correct answer is option B, Jamnagar. Under which article of the Constitution is judicial review of parliamentary proceedings prohibited? Correct answer is option B, Article 122(1). Nokrek Biosphere Reserve is located in which of the following states? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. The Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of? Correct answer is option D, the members of both the Houses of Parliament. GST was introduced as which Amendment Act? Correct answer is option B, 101 Amendment Act. Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who has become the first woman president of the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who was the editor of the newspaper Kesari? Correct answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was awarded the A.M. Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Andrew G. Bartow and Richard S. Sutton. Who amongst the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly of India? Correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Center-state relation is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C, part 11. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Correct answer option A, Narendra Modi. Who has been appointed as the President of the International Court of Justice? Correct answer is option C, Yuji Iwasawa. Which of the following Indian states share the longest border with Myanmar? Correct answer option A, Arunachal Pradesh. River Satluj enters India through which pass? Right answer is option D, Shipkila Pass. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Right answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. How much money has been allocated to the Indian Railways in the Union Budget 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, 2.52 lakh crore. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Correct answer is option B, Chilika Lake. Vallam Kali is a traditional boat race game played in which state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. In which state are Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills located? Correct answer is option C, Meghalaya. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is related to which musical instrument? Correct answer is option C, santoor. The Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is located at? Correct answer is option D, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute is situated at? Correct answer is option B, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Who became the first woman chairperson of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option C, Jaya Varma Sinha. Mohiniyattam is a famous dance form of which state? Correct answer option B, Kerala. Fiscal deficit means? Correct answer is option B, difference between total revenue and total expenditure of the government. The doctrine of subsidiary alliance was introduced by whom? Correct answer is option A, Lord Wellesley. Famous Hindustani classical musician Pandit Ram Narayan passed away recently. He is related to which musical instrument? Correct answer is option A, Sarangi. The world's highest railway bridge has been built on which river? Right answer is option A, Chenab River. The South Central Railway's zonal headquarters is located in? Correct answer is option C, Sikandarabad. Who has become the youngest ever chairman of International Cricket Council? Right answer is option A, Jai Shah. Kebul Lamjao National Park is located on which lake? Correct answer is option D, Loktak Lake. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Correct answer is option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. What is the name of the military operation launched by India to attack terrorist bases in Pakistan on the 7th of May? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. What was the code name of the first nuclear test conducted by India in Pokhran, Rajasthan? Correct answer option B, Smiling Buddha. In which state was Panchayati Raj first introduced? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. The word Satyamev Jayate in the state emblem of India has been taken from which one of the following? Correct answer is option A, Mundaka Upanishad. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was bifurcated into two union territories in which year? Correct answer is option C, 2019. Who is the custodian of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option D, the Supreme Court of India. Asia's vertical lift bridge Pamban Bridge has been inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Mrs. Globe International 2025? Correct answer is option A, Anuradha Garg. Which protected area of Odisha has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Correct answer is option C, Simlipal National Park. Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, The Brutalist. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, South Africa. Which country won the Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship 2025 title? Correct answer is option C, India. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. In 2024, which of the following cities got the tag of World Craft City? Correct answer option C, Srinagar. In which state is Imunu Eradpa festival celebrated? Correct answer is option B, Manipur. NSSO works under which ministry? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Who is the author of Neel Darpan? Correct answer is option B, Deenbandhu Mitra. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Awards in 2025? Right answer is option D, 139. According to the Henley Passport Index 2025, which country has the most powerful passport? Correct answer is option C, Singapore. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first fiscal health index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Orissa. Which country has recently launched the CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Right answer is option B, China. Where was the first Asian Buddhist summit held in 2024? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Kalsobai Peak is located in which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. In which state Sonpur Mela is organized annually? Correct answer is option D, Bihar. What is the main purpose of the Kavach technology adopted by Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B, to prevent train collisions. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which of the following is the largest landlocked country in the world? Correct answer, option C, Kazakhstan. In which year was the first separate railway budget in India was presented? Correct answer is option B, 1924. The famous temples of Mahabalipuram are located in which Indian state? Right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Correct answer is option C, Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Correct answer is option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Correct answer is option C, Saddle Peak. Which country won the 2024 Sultan Azlan Shah Trophy by defeating Pakistan in the final? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who was sworn in as Ghana's president for the third time in January 2025? Correct answer, option B, John Mahama. Who has been appointed as the Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO in January 2025? Share your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.